Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. One of the resolutions that I made for 2021 is I want to cut out negativity in my life. So I want to decrease the negativity in my life. And this includes cutting out the negative people in my life. So people who I can distance from, who I can eliminate from my life, the negative people, I block them from my phone. I this like unfriend or not follow them, unfollow them, or block them from my social media. I don't even look at those, their tweets or whatever, their posts anymore. Now, I shared that with other people, and I got this question a number of times, and so I want to share my answer to that question. The question is, what if the negative people are people who we have to have a relationship with, and we cannot just cut them out? Example there is, what if these negative people are my family, parents, siblings, and these are people that you, or maybe spouses, and these are people you just cannot just eliminate or cut out from your life. And this is my suggestion, this is my advice. I want you to try these three phrases, and because I have seen like crazy changes when these three phrases have been used. One is thank you, another one is I'm sorry, and the third one is I appreciate you. I want you to try I want you to try actually all of those phrases with these negative people that you know and that you have to have a relationship with. And I want you to observe what happens. I want you to observe the change that will happen with these people. Because I have tried that myself, and I have seen, even in other people, the changes that has happened, and it's crazy, you won't believe it. So I want you to try that, and I strongly believe that you will see the exact same changes that I have witnessed and I have experienced myself. All right, so I want you to go and try that and let me know what happens. You can message me, or you can shoot them in the comments below, and help me share my message with more people. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in your next video.